Hello guys and welcome to another unboxing on this channel. Today I have Note 20 Pro and it is a phone from CUBOT, or I'm not sure how you pronounce that. So you can see all the specs here. It is quite powerful and cheap phone you can get. It is also a dual SIM phone. So this is a brand new. This is a phone I pre-ordered and received, I think, 3 months later. So it is from Aliexpress, and let's see what's inside. So the phone itself, it's quite big. So yeah, 6.5 inches big. So the phone itself. So you can see here again all the specs like in the box. Please peel off the film on the battery. Yes, this phone has a replaceable battery. That's something every phone manufacturer should have. So USB cable, USB-C. And what is this? I'm not sure what this is for. And you can here have a charger. It is 2 amps, 5 volts charger. So let's see what's here. So again, more information, test lab, manufacturer information. Okay, I must say that this phone, this box smells really nice. Usually Chinese phones smell really bad, but this one is really nice. So let's remove sticker from battery. Okay, so you also get this protective case. And how do I remove the battery? Okay, so here you have here SIM 1, SIM 2 and micro SD slot. And also we have here some antennas. Is that for NFC or... So I'm really not sure what is that for. Maybe NFC, I don't think it is a wireless charger, no. So you can replace the battery. This texture on the back is quite smooth plastic. You can hear. And it clips on nicely. So you have 4 cameras. There is a screen protector, I believe, still here. Yes, it still has a screen protector. And I already see a dust accumulating around the camera. You can see. Okay, how do I remove that? Okay, so the sides. I don't think that side is plastic, so okay, it is powering on. We can peel off the screen protector. So actually this is not the screen protector is still installed on this phone. This is just a top layer on the screen. So let's set up the phone. So very annoying sound. So okay, how this thing works. I'm used to swiping, so I'm swiping all over the screen, so I didn't set up Wi-Fi or anything. Okay. So let's turn on the camera. So yeah, that's all from this unboxing. Okay, so that's all from this unboxing. I still have to see and explore this phone more. So it's quite big, fits in hand perfectly. My thumb lies exactly on this power key. Here we have volume rockets, camera up top. This side is empty, so nothing on this side. Here we have microphone, speaker, USB-C, headphone jack on top, and here we have flash, 4 cameras, and you can insert SIM behind this battery cover, battery door. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.